按照，按照，按照。
According to.
According to.
我们必须按照程序办事。我们必须按照程序办事。我们必须按照程序办事。
We must follow procedures.
We must follow procedures.
他每天都按照时间表复习功课。他每天都按照时间表复习功课。他每天都按照时间表复习功课。
He reviews his homework according to the schedule every day.
He reviews his homework according to the schedule every day.
按照原来的计划，这个项目必须在本月底完成。按照原来的计划，这个项目必须在本月底完成。按照原来的计划，这个项目必须在本月底完成。
According to the original plan, the project must be completed by the end of this month.
According to the original plan, the project must be completed by the end of this month.
成功，成功，成功。
Successful.
Successful.
无论成功还是失败，我们永远都支持你。无论成功还是失败，我们永远都支持你。无论成功还是失败，我们永远都支持你。
No matter success or failure, we will always support you.
No matter success or failure, we will always support you.
那支球队成功夺得本届冠军。那支球队成功夺得本届冠军。那支球队成功夺得本届冠军。
That team successfully won the championship.
That team successfully won the championship.
只要你不放弃，你就会成功。只要你不放弃，你就会成功。只要你不放弃，你就会成功。
As long as you don't give up, you will succeed.
As long as you don't give up, you will succeed.
顺利，顺利，顺利。
Smooth.
Smooth.
今天的讨论会开得顺利吗？今天的讨论会开得顺利吗？今天的讨论会开得顺利吗？
Did today's discussion go well?
Did today's discussion go well?
祝你一切顺利。祝你一切顺利。祝你一切顺利。
Wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best.
为确保工程进展顺利，必须加强监督工作。为确保工程进展顺利，必须加强监督工作。为确保工程进展顺利，必须加强监督工作。
To ensure smooth progress of the project, supervision must be strengthened.
To ensure smooth progress of the project, supervision must be strengthened.
感谢，感谢，感谢。
Thank.
Thank.
非常感谢你们的支持和帮助。非常感谢你们的支持和帮助。非常感谢你们的支持和帮助。
Thank you very much for your support and help.
Thank you very much for your support and help.
感谢父母对我的养育之恩。感谢父母对我的养育之恩。感谢父母对我的养育之恩。
Thanks to my parents for raising me.
Thanks to my parents for raising me.
感谢老师对我们的指导和鼓励。感谢老师对我们的指导和鼓励。感谢老师对我们的指导和鼓励。
Thank you, teacher, for your guidance and encouragement.
Thank you, teacher, for your guidance and encouragement.
消息，消息，消息。
News.
News.
今天公司里传来了一个消息，有些人要丢工作了。今天公司里传来了一个消息，有些人要丢工作了。今天公司里传来了一个消息，有些人要丢工作了。
Today there is news in the company. Some people are going to lose their jobs.
Today there is news in the company. Some people are going to lose their jobs.
我听到了一个消息，今年的奖金没有了。我听到了一个消息，今年的奖金没有了。我听到了一个消息，今年的奖金没有了。
I heard the news. This year's bonus is gone.
I heard the news. This year's bonus is gone.
听到这个坏消息，我们感到非常失望。听到这个坏消息，我们感到非常失望。听到这个坏消息，我们感到非常失望。
We are very disappointed to hear this bad news.
We are very disappointed to hear this bad news.
按时，按时，按时。
On time.
On time.
我们已经按时完成所有的任务。我们已经按时完成所有的任务。我们已经按时完成所有的任务。
We have completed all tasks on time.
We have completed all tasks on time.
医生告诉病人要按时吃药。医生告诉病人要按时吃药。医生告诉病人要按时吃药。
The doctor tells the patient to take medicine on time.
The doctor tells the patient to take medicine on time.
你们必须按时到达指定的地点。你们必须按时到达指定的地点。你们必须按时到达指定的地点。
You must arrive at the designated place on time.
You must arrive at the designated place on time.
奖金，奖金，奖金。
Bonus.
Bonus.
每年春节前，公司都会发给工人2个月的奖金。每年春节前，公司都会发给工人2个月的奖金。每年春节前，公司都会发给工人2个月的奖金。
Every year before the Spring Festival, the company gives workers a 2-month bonus.
Every year before the Spring Festival, the company gives workers a 2-month bonus.
今年公司发展得很不错，奖金比去年多了1个月。今年公司发展得很不错，奖金比去年多了1个月。今年公司发展得很不错，奖金比去年多了1个月。
The company is developing very well this year, and the bonus is 1 month more than last year.
The company is developing very well this year, and the bonus is 1 month more than last year.
我对在这里工作很满意，工资不错，还有奖金。我对在这里工作很满意，工资不错，还有奖金。我对在这里工作很满意，工资不错，还有奖金。
I am very satisfied with working here, the salary is good and there are bonuses.
I am very satisfied with working here, the salary is good and there are bonuses.
谢谢观看。